Okay, InfoCenter. What is InfoCenter in AutoCAD Electrical? It's been available since the release of AutoCAD 2009. It's up here. It's on the top title bar. Now, we did touch on it earlier when we were searching for something because we've got the search option there. I can type in a word and find something there, for example. Now, we're running AutoCAD Electrical, so let's put in PLC. I've used some PLCs here, remember? So if I type in PLC, like so, and then click on search on the InfoCenter, or I can filter my search. So I can look now in just the electrical user's guide, as in AutoCAD Electrical. If I click on there, look, schematic reports, overview of format files. So that's the electrical user's guide. If I click on search again, I'll close that and click here and do all search locations. So that's all of these. And it'll search now and it'll look, there we go. PLC module, create a PLC diagram, PLC address-based components. So you can see there, break PLC module across multiple drawings. So there's loads of information there on PLCs. So I can close that there. What else have we got on the InfoCenter? Well, I've got here Subscription Center. So if I'm on subscription and I've paid for my Autodesk subscription, I can click on there. That will actually open up the Subscription Center, which I'm not actually subscribed to right now. I've also got here the Communication Center. If I've got a live internet connection, which I have in this case, I'm running off my broadband from my home office right now while I'm writing this content for you. So I've got a pretty fast internet connection. But look, AutoCAD Electrical cannot connect to feed. There's no new content there, no new content there. But look, from between the lines, which is Sean Hurley's blog at Autodesk, there's a Happy New Year blog entry, for example. And as you can see there, I can go and find information that way. So that's the RSS feeds. Autodesk channels, no results found at the moment. That's because it's the new year right now. Things are a little bit quiet. As obviously the year picks up and people get busy, more information will appear in the Communication Center. I've also got favorites here. I can display the favorites panel and access any saved topics. So click the icon that appears next to the link on the InfoCenter search results panel, Subscription Center panel, or the Communication Center panel to add them to your favorites list. So I need to do a search first. So if I go here like this and type in circuits, like I did previously, and then search, there's loads of information there. Can you see that? Look. So what I can do here, create a three-phase circuit. So if I click on that there, look, can you see the star appear? That means I add that to my favorites, and there's now a yellow star. So if I close that now and go to there, there's my create a three-phase circuit. So when I click on that now, it'll open it up. As you can see, my Internet Security 2009, I'm just going to allow that and I'll make that trusted. That's because I've opened this application for the first time. That's just my antivirus software saying, hey, don't recognize it. It's gone now. That's it. I've just told it to make it trusted. But there's my create a three-phase circuit. So I can always go back to that now and look at it for future reference. And then I've got the standard help here. If I click on the down arrow here, I can look at electrical help topics, AutoCAD help topics, learning tools, additional resources. I can send feedback to Autodesk. There's the Autodesk Manufacturing Community Portal and also AutoCAD Electrical. So if I just click there, that tells me which version I've got there. So you can see it's licensed to myself there. If I go to About AutoCAD, it tells me what license I've got and so on and so forth. So I can close all of that there. It just tells me all about the license that I've got, the AutoCAD license that I've got. If I click again and just go to something like AutoCAD help, that will open up the AutoCAD 2010 help there. If I close that one and go back again and go to electrical help topics there, it tells me all about AutoCAD Electrical. So it's very easy to find information using the InfoCenter at the top of the screen there in AutoCAD Electrical 2010.